Since establishment, the Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry has remained committed towards driving economic growth in the capital and creating a sustainable atmosphere for businesses to thrive it, effectively advocating the voice of its members at all government corridors. The ICCI has been able to bring accelerated growth and employment generation, leading to the transformation of Islamabad into the all-inspiring modern industrial and business hub areas today. The secret to ICCI's success is the consistent support of its members and diversity of businesses they represent, ranging from steel manufacturing, light engineering, chemicals, soaps, pharmaceuticals, flour, food processing, marbles, information technology, and other small and medium enterprises. This variety ensures promotion of trade and industrial activities throughout the region. Recently, ICCI had the honor to lay the foundation for the President's Conclave. The event was attended by business leaders, economists, ministers, and bureaucrats. The recommendations discussed were well received at government corridors and resulted in the promotion of trade and industrial activity. Being in a federal capital, ICCI frequently interact with diplomats and foreign missions in order to enhance Pakistan's bilateral trade. Sardar Yasir Ilyas Khan, a man known for his vision, entrepreneurial spirit and leadership. He is one of the leading figures among our distinguished businessmen. He has been a prominent player in attracting foreign direct investment for Pakistan, making inroads in foreign markets for Pakistani goods and services. He has been an invaluable asset for emerging business community of Islamabad. We are lucky to have him at the helm of affairs as president of ICCI. ICCI has signed several MOUs for trade and investment development via JVs and B2B meetings to further promote international trade and investment. Business opportunities, conferences, awards, and ceremonies were successfully held by ICCI, Turkey, and Malaysia, besides a large number of businessmen, senior government officials, and dignitaries, such as the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister and respected governors graced these events. These conferences were key in creating successful linkages between Pakistani businessmen and foreign counterparts, which in turn became a source of foreign direct investment. We have established the capital's first multi-story export display center for the promotion of exports. A state-of-art auditorium has also been furnished in order to hold policy dialogues, seminars, conferences, and other important events. A modern international trade center has been developed with dedicated departments for international trade, CPEC facilitation, women business growth, training and capacity building. Incubation cells have also been set up to support aspiring entrepreneurs towards stability. To support the government's narrative at ease of doing businesses, facilitation desks of FBR, ICT administration, Pakistan Customs and Police have recently been established at the Chamber's office to provide services under one roof. The ICCI believes in giving back to the community and plays a vital role towards conserving the environment. We have launched the Go Green Islamabad campaign to augment the government's initiative for a clean and green Pakistan. In collaboration with EPA, ICCI has encouraged steel and other industries to invest towards the reduction of air pollution by installing smoke treatment plants. This reduction in emissions has ensured that Islamabad's air quality index rating remains the cleanest in the country. Amid the devastating COVID-19 pandemic situation, the generosity of its members shined through, as the ICCI provided rations and supply to many financially struck families in order to support in the difficult times. ICCI has also taken several initiatives towards youth entrepreneurship development and women economic empowerment. We believe in strong relationship with universities in order to promote research and innovation. As a result of this vibrant approach, the ICCI has won several prestigious national and international awards. With a mix of experienced senior businessmen and ambitious young members, the Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry is determined to its role towards resolving issues with the business community, economic development in the region, and propelling the national economy towards growth and prosperity.